Hi guys, welcome back. Here we have Ficus Alii or Ficus Maclellandii, and today I'm gonna demonstrate for you how to prune this ficus.
I am Ahmed from Golbarg.greenhouse. We share educational videos for plant friends every week. So if this is the first time you see our videos, subscribe us. Before starting prune, put on your gloves and put on your shirt because Ficus Alii is poisonous plant that we talked about completely in this video. First of all, I have to say main goal of pruning Ficus Alii is having egg shape and tall plant. So we do some tips for arriving this goal. 1. Trim all branches below the plant. 2. Trim every branches are growing outside of a general circular frame. If you want to have circular frame, you have to do this work 2 or 3 times. When you trim the apex of branch after about 2 weeks, starting to sprout, and after 2 months, it turns to 10 cm branch. That if you don't want your plant be thin, you have to trim again. Three, keep pushing the growth in closer to the trunk of the tree. 4. If leaves and branches are unbalanced, you can bring the branches together for become more compact by a string because their stem and branches are flexible. Five. If your Ficus Alii has 2 or more trunks, you can weave them